Did you know the canned tuna you eat might not be safe? Many people think all canned tuna is the same, but that is not true. Some types have too much mercury, which can slowly harm the brain, nerves, and health. The tricky thing is that you won't feel the effects right away, so most people don't realize the danger until later. Mercury stays in the body and can cause memory loss, tiredness, and other health problems. But don't worry, there is a way to stay safe. In today's video, we will talk about the biggest mistakes people make when buying canned tuna and how to pick the right one. Stay with us until the end. There's something important most people never notice. Let's dive in. Choosing the wrong tuna. Many people think all tuna is the same, but this is not true. There are different types like albacore, skipjack, and yellowfin, and each has different mercury levels. Albacore, also called white tuna, has the most mercury, but many people buy it because they think it is the best. It may taste good, but eating too much can slowly harm the body. Mercury does not leave the body quickly, so if too much builds up, it can cause memory loss, tiredness, and other health problems. Doctors say it is better to eat tuna with lower mercury, like skipjack, which is called light tuna, on the label. Many people do not know this, so they choose the wrong one without thinking. Making the right choice can help keep meals safer and healthier. Eating too much. Tuna is easy to prepare and full of protein. So many people eat it often without knowing the risks. Some even eat it every day, thinking it is good for their health. But the body cannot remove mercury fast, and if too much builds up, it can cause problems like weakness, trouble thinking, and serious health issues. The bad part is that mercury poisoning happens slowly, so people do not see the harm right away. It may start with feeling tired or having trouble focusing, but over time, it can get worse. Health experts say light tuna can be eaten more often, but white tuna should only be eaten once a week or less. Many people ignore this, but being careful about how much tuna is eaten can help protect health and avoid problems later. Eating the right amount can keep the body safe while still enjoying tuna. Not checking the country of origin. Most people do not check where their canned tuna comes from, but this is an important detail. Some countries have strict rules to keep mercury levels low, while others do not. Tuna from polluted waters may have more mercury, and eating it often can be harmful. Some canned tuna brands are safer than others because they follow better fishing rules. Checking the label for the country of origin can help people make a better choice, but many do not know this information is there. Some brands also share details about their fishing areas, which can help in choosing safer tuna. Picking tuna from cleaner waters is a simple way to avoid too much mercury and stay healthy. Ignoring the fishing method. The way tuna is caught makes a big difference in both health and the environment, but most people do not think about it. Some fishing methods, like long line fishing, catch bigger, older tuna, which have absorbed more mercury over time. Eating these fish can increase mercury levels in the body without people realizing it. Mercury builds up slowly, and by the time health problems appear, the damage is already done. On the other hand, tuna caught using pole and line or troll fishing methods are usually younger and contain less mercury. These methods are also better for the ocean, making them a smarter choice. Many canned tuna brands mention the fishing method on the label, but most people never check. Buying tuna packed in oil instead of water. The type of liquid in canned tuna may not seem important, but it can affect health. Many people choose tuna packed in oil because it tastes richer, but they do not know that oil can trap toxins like mercury. This means tuna in oil could have even more mercury than tuna in water. Oil-packed tuna also has extra preservatives and unhealthy fats, which are not good for the body. These extra ingredients may help the tuna last longer, but they do not make it healthier. On the other hand, tuna packed in water keeps the fish's natural nutrients without adding anything harmful. It is the better choice for a safer meal, but many people do not think about this when buying tuna. Reading the label and choosing water-packed tuna can help reduce mercury intake and keep meals healthy. Not checking the BPA-free label. Many people only focus on the tuna inside the can and forget to check the can itself. Some cans have a harmful chemical called BPA in their lining, which can mix with the food and enter the body. This chemical can cause serious health problems like hormone issues and other illnesses. The scary part is that BPA builds up in the body over time, so even a small amount from each can add up. Many people do not know about this and keep eating from BPA-lined cans without thinking. Even if someone is careful about mercury, ignoring the can itself can still be risky. Checking for a BPA-free label is a simple step that takes just a second but can help keep the body safe. Choosing the right can means avoiding an unnecessary health risk and making a smarter decision for a better future. Ignoring the ingredients list. Many people believe canned tuna only contains fish, but that is not always true. Some brands add extra salt, preservatives, and artificial flavors to make the tuna last longer and taste better. These hidden ingredients can be unhealthy, especially for people with heart problems or high blood pressure. Too much salt can cause bloating, make the body hold too much water, and even lead to heart disease. Some cans also have vegetable broth, which may contain soy or other allergens that some people cannot eat. The worst part is that most people never check the ingredient list and assume all tuna is the same. Taking a moment to read the ingredients can help avoid unhealthy chemicals and make sure the tuna is as natural and safe as possible. Making this small effort can lead to better health and fewer worries in the future. Not looking for low mercury labels. Mercury is a big problem in tuna, but not all brands have the same amount. Some companies test their tuna and make sure it has lower mercury levels. They add labels like low mercury or safe catch to help people choose safer options. But many people do not look for these labels and end up buying tuna that could have too much mercury. Mercury does not make people sick right away, but it slowly builds up in the body and can cause memory problems, tiredness, and other health issues. The scary part is that once mercury is in the body, it is hard to remove. Checking for a low mercury label takes only a few seconds, but can help avoid serious health problems in the future. Choosing safer brands is a simple way to enjoy tuna without worrying about hidden dangers. Believing fancy packaging. Some canned tuna brands use fancy packaging with words like premium or gourmet to make their product look high quality. Many people fall for this trick and believe the tuna inside must be better. But a shiny label does not mean the tuna is healthier or has less mercury. Some brands spend more money on making their packaging look attractive instead of making their tuna safer. This can trick people into paying more for something that is not really better. Instead of trusting the way a can looks, it is smarter to check for important things like a low mercury label, BPA-free packaging, and sustainable fishing methods. Taking a little time to research before buying can help avoid spending extra money on a product that may not be safe. Making informed choices leads to better health and smarter spending. Skipping fresh alternatives. Canned tuna is easy to buy and store, but fresh tuna is often a safer and healthier choice. Many people do not realize that fresh tuna, especially from younger or smaller fish, has lower mercury levels than canned tuna. Fresh tuna also does not have preservatives or extra salt, which makes it a cleaner option. Eating fresh fish might not be as quick and easy as opening a can, but it can help reduce the risk of mercury buildup in the body. Instead of always eating canned tuna, switching between fresh and canned options can help create a better balance. Choosing fresh tuna whenever possible means getting the benefits of fish without unnecessary health risks. Making small changes in food choices can lead to a healthier and safer diet in the long run. Making the right choices when buying canned tuna can protect health in the long run. Every small mistake, choosing the wrong type, eating too much, ignoring labels, or trusting misleading packaging, can lead to high mercury exposure over time. Being informed helps reduce these risks and ensures a safer diet. Looking for light tuna, checking labels, and choosing brands with responsible fishing methods are simple steps that make a big difference. If this video helped you, press the like button and share it with others who need this information. Eating safe and healthy food is important for everyone. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and stay tuned for the next video because there is always more to learn about making better food choices.